Guaranteed that if you're watching this video, you know what it feels like to be controlled by alcohol, feeling like you need it to survive. You can't imagine your life without it. And you've probably used it to make excuses for your behavior. But if you don't know me, my name is Cody, and I want to show you a way out. I've been addicted and I've broken that addiction. And I'm here to share with you how to do that. When I was at my absolute lowest point, I could not see past the pain, get through the trauma, could not break that cycle of negativity in my life. I didn't believe that it was even remotely possible to be happy without alcohol. And it's because of those feelings that I literally drank myself to death. After I survived liver failure, I realized that I cannot continue thinking the same thoughts and doing the same things and expect new results. And that's when I started researching personal development programs. At the time, there was no digital sobriety solution out there. So I was forced to take programs about entrepreneurship, personal growth. But it's because of those mentors, those communities, and that information that I changed my entire existence. I had already seen thousands of people happy and thriving, making millions of dollars and doing all of these things. So it made perfect sense for me to utilize that knowledge to capitalize on my sobriety. And that's why I created Beyond Sober. Because of how I felt by focusing on myself, I created a hyper individualized approach to sobriety and put everything you need in one space. Because the only way to true health and happiness is your way. It's a personalized journey through recovery. So instead of having to join a Zoom meeting every week or go into a room full of people that are doing no better than you are, every single person that's graduated and got the results from Beyond Sober did it from their cell phone. They did it from the comfort of their own home. No rehab, no AA, no detox, no bullshit. It's just you and the support you need to succeed. These are neuroscience-based approaches. It's not just about willpower and your ability to say no to alcohol. It's about understanding who you are. Not only that, but it's packed with expert coaches that have been there, done that, and are now helping thousands of people do exactly the same. So don't take it from me. Consider taking a look at Beyond Sober. And it doesn't matter if you've been to AA and it didn't work. Rehab didn't cure you. And it doesn't matter if you are or are not an alcoholic. Sobriety isn't just about not drinking alcohol. It's also about not consuming toxicity from the world and from your mind. So if you're even remotely ready to take your life back or start designing a life that you love to live, follow me and take a look at my page for more information.